Tonight I'm going to take a walk to the downtown. I worked the whole day, so I need some exercise, some walking. And tonight the kids wants to go walking in the downtown. So yeah, come with me, and I'm not able to take a video the whole walk, but I will just take some videos while we stretch around the area. Alright, so we're on our way now to the downtown. It's pretty cold tonight. Looks like there's nobody around here outside. Everybody is staying at home. Well, it's not that cold anyway. Okay, so there is nothing really going on tonight. It's pretty cold outside. I think it's around 50 Fahrenheit. It's gonna be like probably around in the 30s Celsius, if I'm not mistaken. On weekends there's a lot of people around here, lots of food trucks. But tonight is very quiet since it's weekdays. Since they opened the Kaiser University in Newport Richey, these bars and restaurants started to Okay, it's pretty quiet around here. So we are now in the main street. It looks like everybody's hiding in their house because of the cold. Well, actually 50 is not that cold, you know, but in Florida that's already cold for the Floridians. In the north, if there's it's 50, people are outside, they go picnic, they wear shorts, t-shirts. But in Florida, you know, they're gonna start wearing jackets and wearing boots with that kind of temperature. So every November, I think, or October, we have the bike fest over here, the Cotton River Bike Fest. Correct me if I'm wrong with the date. They close this street over here. They close the street here for the bike fest. So yeah, this street here, Grand Boulevard, they close here. They put a stage over there where they have the band play, and also one in Sims Park. So yeah, it's a pretty big event. I think that's October or September. I think in that year, in those months in there. So bikers coming from different states. It's not like Sturgis, North Dakota. I think that's North Dakota or South Dakota, the big one. It's not that big, but for Florida Bike Fest, that's a pretty big one. You know, it's like you're gonna compare it to Daytona probably. Daytona is a little bit bigger, but this one here is pretty big. So they close here, all these streets here. Going this side, this is full of motorbikes, and yeah, that's a pretty big one over here because they have also the Harley Davidson dealership in Newport Richey. That's the only one in the area, and one in St. Pete. So yeah, they are the big sponsor for that bike fest. All right, I think that's it for tonight. That's my evening walk right there. So yeah, please subscribe, and hope to see you again on our next walk. All right, have a good night. Bye.